Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with PR. I hope you all are doing great. If you want to master data structures from basics to advanced, this playlist is going to be super helpful for you. We have already completed linked list with all operations, insertion, deletion, traversal, and everything in details. So if you have not watched that playlist yet, go and check it out first. Link is in the description. And make sure you like the video, comment your doubts, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Learn with PR. So have you ever stacked books or plates? So the last item you place is the first one you remove, right? So that's stack. How a stack works in a data structure. So today we will learn that only. So you have maybe noticed when you keep book one over another, the last book you place is the first one you pick actually. Okay, so that's exactly how a stack works in data structure. So the stack is a linear data structure that follows the principle of LIFO. That LIFO is last in first out. So this means the element inserted last will be removed first. So in the stack all operation happens from one end only, and that end is called top. So let me take a real life example. Think of a stack of plates. You always add a plate on top and you also remove from top as well, right? So you cannot remove a plate from the middle, no? Okay, and that you can say stack actually. You have to go to check that plate. You will take first plate from that stack, right? That first plate, that your first means you are taking first plate. That means what? That's the last plate the person placed in the very first position. All right, so this is how we can say it. So that's a simple one. Okay, so what a stack is? Stack is a LIFO. Stack use a LIFO that the element inserted last is removed first actually. Okay, so here I have written some stack terminology as well. So here there are a few terms you must know about it. Okay, so these we have to use in our stack. So first top. So these are the some basic terminology, right? So a stack supports some few operations. We have three kind of operation. Most of means we have to use that only. Most of them they are three only. That you can say push, pop, and peek. So what is push? Push means when you want to insert an element into the stack. Pop means when you want to remove the top element from the stack. And peek is to view the top element without removing it. So we are not removing it, but we have to check what element in the top. है Okay, so all these operations are performed only at the top, top, top. Okay, all right, so you can also say TOS. What is TOS? Top of stack. Okay, so very important condition when you say when the stack is full, right, and you are trying to insert an element, that that you can say it result in overflow condition. When you fill the bucket, right? So आप जब पानी से bucket fill करते हैं, when you fill bucket from water, right, once it's full then it will overflow, na, right? So that you can say overflow condition. You don't have a space in a stack, you don't have a space in a bucket, right, and you are filling with the water again, है ना? You don't have any space in a stack and you are filling with a new element. Okay, that you can say overflow condition. Okay, and the another condition, that's opposite one, when the bucket is out of water, right, and you keep trying to pour it out, so it's not there actually, right? So when the stack is empty and you are still trying to remove the element from the stack, उसमें कोई element बचा ही नहीं है, right? आप still want to say pop कर रहा हूँ, means remove कर रहे हैं हम, so that is not possible. You can say this result as in underflow condition. All right. So when the stack is full, you try to insert an element, it results in an overflow condition, right? When the stack is empty and you try to remove an element, it results in underflow. All right. So this is how you can say underflow. Okay. And these are some terminology. That's a overflow condition. We can't insert more, but still we are doing it. That's the overflow condition. Underflow, the stack is already empty and you are removing the element from it. Top means peak, you can say view top element without removing it, right? And pop. So means pop is what? Remove an element from stack. Means you are removing it. Okay, removing the element. Push means when you want to insert an element, right? And top means when you want to point the last inserted element. That you can say pop, a top. Okay. So these are some stack terminology, right? Now some operations, how we can perform operations. So first operation. So the first operation is push. So when I am saying I want to push operation I want to perform, that means I want to add an element to the stack. एक एलिमेंट को मुझे स्टैक में इंसर्ट करना है. That's what we are saying push operation. So what push operation steps are? We have to check if the stack is full, then we can't insert now. Okay. So when the element is or the stack is already full, right? That we can't insert a new element. Okay. So first we have to check the stack is full or not. Then we have to increase the top and insert the element. Simple as that. Okay. First check the stack is empty, full or not. If it is full, then we can't do it. Otherwise, we have to increase the top size. And the top को increase करना है, top plus plus we can do, and then insert a element. We have to insert a new element in that. Now next is we have to do pop actually. What pop is? Pop says that removing the top element. Top element को मुझे remove करना है. ठीक है? As I told you already that we have only one end. Okay, so we want to remove the top. So how we can remove the top? With the help of pop operation. Okay, how we can do it? We have to check the stack is empty or not. पहले हमें check करना पड़ेगा element है भी कि नहीं stack में. If there is no element, then what I will delete? Okay, what will delete? We can't delete anything. Okay, so check if the stack is empty, then return top element. Okay, and decrease the top. All right, we have to decrease means top minus minus we will do. Now next operations we have peak. Peak means when you want to return top element without deleting. हमें delete नहीं करना है, but मुझे top element find out करना है कि कौन सा top में है element. That we can say peak. Peak. Okay. Is empty, the stack is empty. अगर stack empty है तो मुझे एक operation perform करना है कि stack empty है कि नहीं है. So we just need to check the condition. Okay. If full, if the stack is full, that means what? Check the stack is full or not. These are some operations, basic operations are there. Okay. Now, how we can implement? What are the ways we can implement? We can implement with the two ways. Array. Okay. First is the array. How we can implement the stack with the help of with the help of array as well. So uses of this basically array uses a fixed size. You know very well. When you have a fixed stack size, that time you can use array implementation. The another one is a linked list representation. So what is linked list? That it uses basically dynamic memory allocation. Dynamic allocation, when we are saying, that means there is no fixed size. That's why we are using linked list implementation in stack. Okay, there are two ways. So we have already covered array implementation as well. What is array and how we can store the element inside it. Please check that video. है ना? Only that you can understand how we can creating array. है ना? Right? We will make a program in a C++ as well. Okay. So first we will do this array implementation. All right. And then we will jump to the linked list representation. Okay, what is linked list? I have already covered. Okay, please check that video how we can create linked list dynamically as well as statically. I have both covered. I will pin link in a description as well. All right, so both we will do. Okay, so in the next video we will see how we can do array implementation. Okay, how we can create a stack with the help of array representation. All right, there we will use only fixed size. Okay. So in my next video, we'll see that thing. Okay. If you find this explanation helpful, so please like my video, share with your friends, comment your doubts. Okay. And subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you so much.